I go by the name of lity-rate. This says my brother from another mother. I'm trying to come to the scene. I'm trying to shoot here. And got to put me to respect. Like abantu assumed I was necessary. Like whenever I'm going, people will just assume I'm necessary. To a point whereby I don't even in well because I am not him.
Just repeat.
It came after that project, and I was like, let me just do something different because so I was like, if I make it ready, again. For a while it worked, and until now I'm still not ready. So I'm like, yo, and I love my hair. I'm going to do Kunda again. I Kunda once, I'm not doing it again.
Same thing, but one guy got the balls out of 10. Or maybe he just trying to be a boss among his friends. I seen it all.